Reading 8. Finding books in the library. Have you ever taken a book out of the library? Did you notice the number on the book? That number is part of the system used by libraries to organize their collections of books. It is a system used by libraries in many countries. It is a very good system, too. The number on each book tells you exactly what kind of book it is. This system is also useful for knowing where to go in the library to find a book. With this number, a library employee can send you to the right place to find a book. In this system, there are 10 large groups of books. Each of these groups has its own number, such as 100, 200, etc. So, for example, any books about language will have a number that is 400. On the other hand, any book about history will have a number 900. So, a number in the hundreds place tells you what general group a book is in. If you find a book that has a number in the 500s, you know it is a book about science. However, science is a big group, so the tens place in this number system is used to make a more detailed set of science books. For example, math books are included in the group of science books. Math books all have numbers between 510 and 519. Or think about all the different groups there are for history books. Books about world history have numbers between 930 and 939, while books about the history of Africa have numbers between 960 and 969. But again, even the history of Africa is a very large subject. So, the system uses the ones place to give a more exact limit for the subject of a book. A book on the history of South Africa will have the number 968. Why? Because the 9 means that the book is about history. The 6 means that it is the history of Africa. And lastly, the 8 means that the book is about the history of the southern part of Africa. Not all libraries around the world use this system. But as you can see, it is a simple system to use once you understand what the numbers mean. With this system, the library can keep its books well organized and people can easily find the book that they want.